Real-life example of embedded system application. At the end of the session, you should be able to list real-life example of embedded system application. Explain the real-life example of embedded system application. Embedded systems perform specific tasks. They have microcontroller as the main part, which controls all the operations required through them. These systems are smart and more efficient, which is increasing their use day by day. Almost every device that we use today is an example of embedded systems. Embedded systems examples can be seen at our homes, at offices, in industries and in automation systems. A digital camera is a very good example of embedded systems. Cameras that we use today are smart and have a lot of features that were not present in early cameras, all because of embedded system used in them. A digital camera has basically three functions: to capture image, which we call data, to store image data, and to represent this data. Today images are stored and processed in form of digital data in bits. There is no need of film for storing images. This feature has increased the storage capacity and made it easy to transfer images. In digital cameras, first image is captured and converted to digital form. This digital image is stored in internal memory. When the camera is attached to your personal computer for uploading images, it transfers the stored data. Examples of embedded systems include automotive. Today cars use embedded systems, replacing old traditional systems. Electronic control units are used in automotive embedded systems examples. This unit contains microcontroller, switches, sensors, drivers, etc. All the sensors and actuators are connected to electronic control unit. Automobiles using embedded systems may consist of hundreds of microprocessors. Each microcontroller, such as Arduino, PIC microcontroller, 8051 microcontroller, performs its own dedicated task. Some of them control engine. Some run dashboard devices. The whole system is actually comprised of several small systems. Using embedded systems in automotive has reduced the cost factor. It has improved the overall performance and increased functionality. It has also reduced weight and made automobile more safe and reliable. Applications of automotive embedded systems include automatic stability control, traction control system, pre-crash safety system, airbag, car navigation system. So you can see that using embedded systems in automobiles is very useful and has increased the functionality of automotive. Home security systems are used largely today. These systems have several features, just as checking for fire or gas leakages, and detecting if someone suspicious tries to enter the house. A microcontroller is used for controlling all the operations. Sensors give data, and if something wrong happens, then safety alarms get activated. Sensors used in such systems include gas sensors, smoke sensors, temperature sensors, and IR sensor. Also, a keypad is included in such systems for entering password at the gate. If correct password is entered, then this embedded system opens the gate, and if someone tries to enter wrong password, then alarm is set on and gates remain closed. The output is received from alarms or some display. The output can also be sent to some distant location. If family members are not present in home, then still they can monitor the activities going on in their house. Home security system is not limited to homes. Such systems can be used at shops, stores, and in industries. Almost every industry and office has security systems that can recognize the workers from their face or identity cards. Home automation system is also one of the examples of embedded systems as home security system. Washing clothes is not a difficult task now owing to embedded systems. You just have to add clothes and leave it to the machine. Rest operations are done by your machine itself. Machines have a microcontroller for controlling all the tasks. Sensors and actuators in this case are level sensors, valves, motor and also a display and keypad to input information. Once you load clothes in machine, the whole process consists of 3 cycles: washing, rinsing and spinning. All the 3 cycles are initiated by machine itself. You just have to enter information for hot or cold water and press start button. During washing and rinsing cycle, water is added to the drum by pipes. Closing and opening of valves for adding water is checked through level sensors by microcontroller like PIC microcontroller. Then the rotation of drum starts for preset time. After that, water is drained out through pipes. During spinning cycle, water is not added and drum rotates for a set time. All the processes are controlled by microcontroller program. The timings for each cycle can be changed through the keypad. An industrial robot is an embedded system that comes in a variety of forms, and each performs a number of different tasks. Some industrial robots are used for moving parts, tools, and materials. Some are used in assembly operations, while some of them are used in manufacturing. These robots have increased the productivity. They are widely used where precise operations are required or at the places which are difficult to access for humans. Painting robots have a wide application area. They are replacing humans as they require less time for the whole operation and ensure best result. All of the activities are controlled through the program. Timing for the whole process and amount of paint is preset. Assembly robot is another example of industrial robots. The task of such robot is to create an assembly from all the parts. All parts are collected and assembled in correct sequence to form final product. An automated teller machine, ATM, is also an embedded system. It is a computerized device used in banking. You all are already familiar with its operation and use. A customer can access and perform his transactions without going to the bank and meeting some assistant. This machine consists of a card reader for detecting card and accessing information of the person. Also, it has a keypad so the user can enter his commands and password. A screen displays information. A printer prints the receipts and cash is received from cash dispenser. A network is present between the bank computer and ATM machine through a host computer. All the data is verified with the bank computer and all transactions are stored in it. All these input and output operations are carried with the help of microcontroller. So this makes it one of the best examples of embedded systems. Calculator is also one of the examples of embedded systems. In this example, the function is to take input from the keypad, perform the required operation, and show the results on LCD. Embedded scientific calculator has a high-performance processor. A number of mathematical complex calculations can be performed by these calculators. You can also program such scientific calculators. With such kind of functionality, these calculators are very advanced as compared to simple calculators, all because of embedded systems. That's all for now. I hope that you can list other kind of embedded system application. Thank you.